In order to add or change keyboard language on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, scroll down and go to the System and Update. Now we're gonna choose Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and then tap on a Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. Now open Languages, and then over here, if you want to add a new language, we have the Add Keyboard option. Now we can choose the language that we wish to add. We can also use the search field at the top. So let me choose an example language in here, and then we have the selection of the layout. We can also toggle multilingual typing in case you want to use more than one language on your keyboard. And we can tap on a Done in the bottom right corner. If you tap on Edit in the upper right corner, you can, for example, select the old language that you no longer need, and then you can use the Remove option in the upper right corner. You can also grab by these lines on the right side and change the order of your languages. In case you stick with more than one language, I can also recommend you going back to the settings of the keyboard, then open the preferences, and you want to make sure that language switch key is enabled because it is just convenient to use it. Once you open the keyboard, you should be able to find this globe icon that you can use to switch the language, and the current language that is set up on the keyboard is being displayed on the spacebar. You can also press and hold on the spacebar in order to choose a different language. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.